Hi traders, welcome to Elite Currency. My name is Chris, and this video taking a look at the charts, technical analysis on euro dollar and pound dollar. Alright, kick off with the euro dollar. As always, daily chart is going more or less sideways at an equilibrium basically. If you look at the last days, kind of making this up and down movement like this. And in fact, the zone is becoming narrower, right? Here we had a higher high and a lower low still, and it's just building a triangle basically. So for the moment, when we zoom out, we can see that overall the sideways movement is happening after a strong momentum to the upside. Therefore, hence favor the upside breakout, as I already indicated in past videos. Price also stopped at the 38.50 fib zone. So as long as price stays above that, it's still looking bullish to me. And even if price were to break this support, I think ultimately this could just be an ABC within a wave 1, 2, and up it goes for wave 3, as long as it stays above that bottom. So what is more likely? Is it going to be a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout? Now, of course, price action will tell us what the breakout would be. We just have to wait for the candles to approach the trend lines and break through it. And then we'll find out whether the upside break or downside break is occurring. And of course, also those candles, depending on how close the candle close is towards the low or high, that will show us if it's a good breakout or not. I'm leaning towards a bullish breakout because for the moment, I still think that this could be a wave 1, 2, start of a wave 3. So if we do get a bullish breakout, it could be the wave 3 of 3, right? Because here is a wave 1, 2. So this could be a blue 3 of a green 3. But alternatively, if it does break here, there could be basically a bigger, in my view, A, B, C going on, right? So a downside break could take price back actually a good distance, as I said here, and we could put a fib from here to here. All right, we stopped at the 78.6 fib, so it could go to the minus 272 target at around 122.25, and then find a bullish bounce there. And looking for reversal setups at that fib makes sense too. So it's all about how price is responding to this 123.40 zone, I do believe. Let me check for you. About 123.40 indeed. That's important because if this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 by any chance, that this top of wave 1 is important. So let's see if price will break through support or resistance. You know that's very important in my point of view. And I think there is a good chance it could bounce. But if it pushes through this level, there's a good chance it could break. In that case, I'll be looking for a break, pull back like this, like a flag, and continue. I'll be interested in shorting the break of the flag. I would be interested in potentially this breakout here, break, pull back, continue, either at the break or at the continue, basically. And I would be interested once price gets down to the minus 272 target for a bounce to the upside. So those are the trade ideas that I think are interesting for the moment. I'm still in a long setup based on this breakout. I'm holding for a continuation, so I will not add any trades here because it's at the same spot. We are keeping this long though, but we did move the trail stop loss to below this bottom, so that if price does break through that level, that would be our exit spot. For the moment, we are holding on to that long, and we will stay in the long as long as price remains above this bottom. And if it breaks above this resistance spot, then it should be going towards our target. All right, pound dollar is more or less the same. Strong bearish correction earlier today, which Nenet nicely traded, all right, with ECS Live in the morning. And the members saw that pre-fact, of course, and that was a good trade. But overall, I still think that price has now reached pretty good support. That's also probably why Nenet exited that trade at this spot, because yes, good support levels are right here with the previous tops, bottoms, and this trend line. So this could be a bouncing spot, and you can see on the hourly chart the price is reacting to that level. So here too, a key level, if price manages to break through this thick layer of support, make a bear flag and break, that could be interesting for shorts. But only when that happens would I be thinking about shorts. Otherwise, it's still very much in an uptrend territory. It doesn't have to move up necessarily because yesterday was a doji, but very much still in the bullish territory because we are having a higher high and we are having an uptrend here start, and we're breaking through the old downtrend that was applicable here. So I think the odds of a continuation are still more likely, and I think that this could be a turning spot for a continuation higher. We might get another flag and another continuation. That's what I'm expecting. Trades that could be interesting basically is when price maybe on the lower time frame starts to show some momentum to the upside, and a flag break. That could be one way of trading that, as it breaks above the 21 EMA zone, or breaks pullbacks and continues. So that could be one way of trading the continuation here on the pound dollar. But ultimately bullish territory, just waiting for the turn, break, pullback, continue, I think. And you know that price would need to break all the way below here before I would be interested in trading the breakout to the downside. Then this could be all a false break, and the trend here would turn bearish. More free analysis, of course, at elitecurrency.com. Wish you all great trading, and talk to you soon. And thank you for all of your shares, likes, and of course subscribes. Cheers.